So apparently, people are talking gold and gold stocks right now. And I just want to go, oh, not again. So, so first, let's talk about gold, and then we'll talk about a little bit about gold stocks, which many of you know how much I love. So gold. Why is everybody or a lot of people hot on gold? Well, gold is supposed to protect against inflation, right? Or you can say against the devaluation of the US dollar. So the US dollar has been strengthening because the Fed has been raising interest rates to combat inflation, right? So now the sheep, the crowd is thinking forward and saying the Fed is going to pivot, which it will, right? So the narrative goes something like that. The Fed is going to pivot, the Fed is going to lower interest rates, do QE, and the gold is going to go to the moon. So they're all buying up gold. And then they see articles and videos on how gold stocks are even better because they provide you with the leverage. So that's how it goes, right? Now, you know how it's going to go down, right? What's going to happen is, yes, Fed is going to pivot. Gold is not going to go to 5,000. And then all the people that are piling into gold, they're going to get cold feet and they're going to start selling. So initially, maybe you'll have gold go up. But then once the Fed pivots, who's going to be there to buy? They're all in the trade, right? And then when it comes to the gold stocks, right now, I'm not even looking, but I can guarantee you, it's the same old, same old. You see the gold stocks on being mentioned in the gold newsletters, gold YouTube channels. They're being interviewed, how they're going to increase production, how their cost is going to cash costs. Make sure cash costs, not all in costs, but cash costs are going to be at less than 1,000. How Eric Spratt is invested in them. That's a must. That's a must. How he's invested in it. In the investor presentations, they have those nice charts of how their company compares to the other companies and how their company is like this tiny thing that's mispriced. And then when they increase the production, they're going to become a mid-tier producer. They're going to get revalued and you're going to make all this money. I can already see that. That's what I don't even need to look. I know that's what they're doing. Then they're also saying that, oh, this is just a simple open pit project. Gold literally produces themselves. It's a simple operation. It's not going to be any operational problems, and permitting is never an issue. It's always in a friendly jurisdiction, and the locals love the project because it's going to create jobs. So that's what they're doing, right? That's what they're doing. Now, 99% of them are going to fail miserably. And if you don't believe me, go to my YouTube channel and watch. Go to the playlist and scroll down to Why I Hate Miners and watch some of these videos so that you can see, because many of you will be like me. Oh, it's not going to happen to me. It's not, my stock is different because I talked to the CEO and he's a nice guy and this project is special, and again, Eric Spratt is involved, and if it wasn't a great project, Eric Spratt wouldn't be involved. You're gonna you're gonna come up with every excuse in the book why your company is not like all the other ones that I have listed there. So here we are again. The gold people, the gold stocks. Don't fall for this. Just don't fall for this. But if you really, really want to get involved in this sector, first, get the two of my books that I wrote, Gold Production from Beginning to End. Read it. And the other one is Gold Finance, is how gold companies finance themselves. Get them for $20. At least when they take you to the cleaners, you will know how you were taken to the cleaners. But you will learn a lot, because I know many people who are getting into the sector. You don't know what the hell you're getting yourself into. Okay, you don't know what you're getting yourself into. So I'm just trying to protect you. Now, if you really want to get into it, then get into it as a trade. In other words, don't expect gold to go to the moon. Buy it because somebody else is going to have a better belief. So you sell it to a greater idiot. When it comes to the gold stocks, don't expect them to deliver. 99% are not going to deliver. They're going to fuck up in ways that are beyond comprehension. When they say they're going to have cash costs of 1,000, it's going to be 3,000. If gold was at 10,000, they will figure out how to produce it for 15,000. I'm telling you, they will fuck up in ways that are unimaginable. So if you really want to be in gold stocks, think of it as you're going to sell it to a greater fool, okay? Because fundamentally, most of them are not going to deliver. And don't kid yourself that they will deliver, okay? And again, if you don't believe me, watch my entire series of Why I Hate Miners, and I saved a lot of people a lot of money by making them watch these videos and vaccinating their brains against gold and gold miners.